Good morning to all of you. Today we will start the numerical portion of this of the chapter similarities of the triangle. We have already discussed 6.2 chapter numerical. Now today we have discussed about the 6.3 chapter 6.3. Now we have a question. We have a questions. The in the following figure, at first we draw the figure. This is the line. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This angle is 70 and this angle is 125. This angle is 125. In the following figure, in the following figure, triangle ODC, here is O, similar to triangle OBA. Angle BOC equal to 125 and angle CDO equal to 70. Find angle DOC and angle OAB This is the question. In the following figure, triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, angle BOC equal to 125 and angle CDO equal to 70. Find angle DOC and angle OAB. Solution is here. DOB is a straight line. DOB is a straight line. DOB is a straight line. This is the straight line DOB. Therefore angle DOC plus angle COB equal to DOC COB इक्वल टू 180। इक्वेशन 1 कैसे? लीनियर पेयर, दिस इज द लीनियर पेयर, therefore implies putting the value of DOC here, DOC and COB या BOC एक ही बात है, 125 इक्वल टू 180, DOC इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 125, here DOC इक्वल टू this. In triangle DOC, in triangle DOC, angle DOC plus angle CDO plus angle DOC equal to 180. This is equation 2. कैसे? Sum of the measure of the angle, sum of the measure of the angle, measure of the angle of a triangle is 180, is 180, implies here angle DCO here DOC plus 70 plus 55 equal to 180. Here DOC equal to 180 minus 125 also, DOC equal to this. It is given that here it is given that triangle ODC similar triangle OBA, it is given that, therefore angle OAB equal to angle OCD. OCD. corresponding angle are equal in similar triangle. Therefore, OAB equal to this is also. Now this is the solution. Now another question is here. Another question is here. This is the figure. This is T, P, this is R, this is Q. This angle is 1, this is 2. This is the figure. In figure, QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 equal to angle 2, so that triangle PQS similar triangle TQR, similar triangle TQR. proof या solution in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. PQR equal to PRQ. This is given in triangle PQR given. ये given है. Also given that QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR. This is also given. Therefore, PQ equal to PR. PQ equal to PR. This is equation 1. Using one we obtained QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. Here Q equal to Q. Therefore, triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. SAS side angle side similarity criteria. This is the solution of this question. Now another question is here. This is the figure. This is the figure. This is the figure. This is the figure. A, B, C, D, F, E. This is the figure. E is the point. E is the point. E is the point on the side AD side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F, so that triangle ABF similar triangle CFB. This is the solution. Now construct this figure. Construct a figure this. In triangle ABE in triangle ABE and triangle CFB angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C. अपोजिट एंगल कैसे? अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इंटीरियर एंगल as AE parallel to BC. AE parallel to BC. Opposite angle. This is opposite angle. So this is a parallelogram, na? This is parallelogram. This is transversal line. So this angle will be equal. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Interior angles are AE parallel to BC. AE पैरेलल टू BC. ये लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल है तो अपोजिट एंगल्स इंटीरियर एंगल्स सेम होती है. देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABE सिमिलर ट्रायंगल CFB by angle similarity criteria. This is proved. जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स मैं यहाँ सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ इन सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स में जो हमने 4 या 5 सिमिलरिटीज़ थ्योरम पढ़ाए हैं उन सारे थ्योरम्स का इसमें यूज किया जा रहा है. इसीलिए थ्योरम पहले पढ़ाया जाता है. बार बार मैं थ्योरम पे जोर इसलिए देता हूँ कि थ्योरम जब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा तो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आपको इजीली समझ में आ जाएगी. तो अगर कोई स्टूडेंट्स न्यू होगा इस चैप्टर को देख रहा होगा, इस सॉल्यूशंस को, तो वो सबसे पहले इस न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने से पहले थ्योरम को समझ ले, तो ये अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। मैं पिछले लेक्चर्स में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ, एक एक बात डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस SAS सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया, साइड एंगल साइड सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया, एंगल एंगल सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया. This is already we have discussed. Now another question is here. This is the figure. This is the figure. This is the figure. A, B, C. This is D. E, F, G. This is H. CD and GH. CD and GH are respectively that bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC similar triangle FEG so that first CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG, and here second triangle DCB similar triangle HGE, and here third triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. This is the complete question. This is the given figure. And say that CD and GH CD and GH are respectively bisector of ACB and EGF. CD and GH ये बाइसेक्टर हैं AB और EF के रिस्पेक्टिवली. D and H लाई ऑन साइड AB and FE. AB पे लाई कर रहा है, FE पे लाई कर रहा है. ट्रेंगल ABC एंड EFG. ये दिया है कि अगर ट्रेंगल ABC FEG के सिमिलर है, दिस ट्रेंगल इज सिमिलर टू दिस ट्रेंगल, देन शो दैट CD अपॉन GH, CD अपॉन GH इक्वल टू AC अपॉन FG. ये शो करना है. एंड DCB दिस ट्रेंगल सिमिलर है HGE के एंड DCA सिमिलर है FHG के. ये हमें शो करना है. सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट प्रूफ करते हैं. इट इज गिवन दैट triangle ABC similar triangle FEG. Therefore this is given that, ये दिया है ABC सिमिलर है FEG के. दिस इज गिवन. Therefore we have to know already, if the two triangle are similar then corresponding angle are same. A equal to F, B equal to E, C equal to G. And angle ACB equal to angle FGE. that is एक ही बात है. ये लिखे या फिर ये लिखे, एक ही बात है. since angle ACB equal to FGE, therefore angle ACD equal to angle FGH. ACD equal to FGH, angle bisector. This is also given. ACD equal to FGH. This is angle bisector. क्यों? क्योंकि ACB equal to FGE. दिस एंगल बाइसेक्टर है तो उसके हाफ के बराबर होगा. नाउ हियर एंड ट्रायंगल ACD and ट्रायंगल FGH. एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल F. एंगल ACD इक्वल टू एंगल FGH. Therefore triangle ACD similar triangle FGH by एंगल सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया। हमने कहा था पीछे एक थ्योरम प्रूफ किया था कि अगर कोई एक किसी ट्रेंगल के एक एंगल अगर सिमिलर हो और उसके रेशियो सिमिलर हो तो वो ट्रेंगल सिमिलर होता है। पीछे जो है ये हम करा चुके हैं। नाउ कैन यू सी दिस कंडीशन, सी डी अपॉन जी एच इक्वल टू AC upon FG. This is the solution. This is the solution. Now second. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle DCB equal to angle HGE, angle B equal to angle E. Therefore triangle DCB similar triangle HGE by angle similarity criteria. And here is third, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle DCB equal to angle HGE, angle B equal to angle E. Therefore triangle DCB similar triangle HGE के by angle similarity criteria. This is the solution of this question. Now one question is given, this is the 2.3 exercise. Now remaining questions exercise you have tried to solve yourself. If you have some problems, create some problems to solving that remaining questions, so you ask me related videos questions, related 6.3 chapter questions you asking me. If you have some problems, some creates problem. Now overall this chapter, this similarity of the triangle overall will be over. Now we have to next start geometry portion class, chapter 7. We have to start chapter 7 next video, that is tomorrow. Now you have complete your copy. Now each students complete fair copy and write the theorems, related numericals and homework. This is the homework. Solve each student till 2.3 exercise. Thank you.